Tenho no estúdio de Gente Nossa, mais uma vez, o representante da Novo Horizonte, Botelho, que está aqui hoje com uma convidada muito especial. Bem-vindo ao programa de Gente Nossa.
Obrigado, Nellie.
A ti, and welcome to Robin as well to our program. Quem é a tua convidada de hoje?
Bem, hoje eu trouxe a Robin, que é uma representadora do Pascoe aqui no Canadá, sobre todas as medicinas que a gente tem falado neste tempo todo. Ela representa o Pascoe aqui e trouxe-la para dar mais alguma informação, porque a gente tem sempre falado bem sobre esta companhia, uma companhia da Alemanha, que tem várias medicina natural que trabalha, e é boa, só decidi trazê-la para dar uma informação aos nossos amigos ouvintes melhor sobre a medicina, porque...
Sobre a companhia
em geral.
Tu conheces mais os produtos.
Os produtos, e ela conhece a companhia.
A companhia, exatamente.
Só é por causa disso que eu decidi trazer cá para dar uma palavra aos nossos amigos e pacientes que estão a ouvir hoje o choque. Infelizmente não vamos falar sobre doenças hoje. Vamos falar uma coisa diferente.
Exatamente. Isso fica para a próxima semana. Para a próxima semana. Robin, thank you so much for making time to come over to Gente da Nossa TV. We're not going to speak with you in Portuguese because I don't know what the response would be.
Very little, I think.
Very little. Okay. Well, once again, thank you very much. You're the managing director for Pascoe, Canada.
Yes.
What is Pascoe? I know we've introduced several products that Antonio has introduced here in the program, but what exactly is the company? What does it do mainly?
So the company is a German naturopathic medicine company. So they've been around since 1896. It's a family-owned company, and the focus has been on products like homeopathics, herbals, and supplements for preventing and treating disease. As a family-owned company, they do all their manufacturing themselves, and they have a good distribution throughout the world now. And mainly their clients are naturopathic doctors, and in Europe, medical doctors are purchasing the products.
Do they focus on any particular product, or is it anything to do with natural medicine?
They have quite a wide range of products. In Germany, there's more than 200 different products for everything from stress and hormonal issues to acute illnesses or traumas. So you have quite a large range of types of products that they do provide. I think in Canada, the main ones are for stress, pain, anxiety, inflammation.
So how long have you been with the company?
I've been with the company about 6 years.
And how long have they been in Canada in general?
They've been around for 7 years as Pascoe Canada, our company.
And has there been a growth in need for Pascoe, for the natural medicine in Canada in the last 6 years?
Yeah, I would say so. Based on the demand that we've had, there's been a big demand for quality products that are reliable, that doctors can trust, that they're going to have a reliable, consistent effects with their patients. And I think that's really fueling the demand for our products.
Now, you had told me before the program that in Germany the products are dispensed through pharmacies only, and you need a medical prescription. In Canada, that's not necessary if you have somebody like Antonio Botelho, who is a naturopathic. You have so many titles, so I can never say them. Doctor. Does that make a big difference to the company in the distribution being different in Canada, not necessarily having to have a medical licensed doctor prescribing it?
Yeah, it does make a bit of a difference. So some of our products are available in health food stores, where a doctor might refer to the health food store for people to pick it up. But a lot of our doctors do purchase the products and are able then to provide them to their patients in clinic, like Dr. Botelho. I think that's a very common way for our products to be distributed.
What makes the Pascoe product so different than others?
That's a good question. I think one of the things is that it's a German quality product. The manufacturing is done like pharmaceutical grade standards. So even though it's natural products, homeopathics, there's a lot of press about how they're maybe not effective, or what's in the box isn't what's on the label. Right. But because this is a pharmaceutical company in Germany, a natural pharmaceutical company, they are required to have all those same standards as any drug. So studies.
As Bayer makes aspirin.
Exactly. Yeah.
So kind of a manufacturer, or perhaps almost as big as Bayer.
Oh, not quite as big as Bayer, but the same mentality. They have to have the exact same processes and the same clinical research, the same manufacturing, quality control. It's all the same.
That's great, because that's what people look for, is that kind of security. They feel safe knowing that they're taking something that has had the quality in the manufacturing process of it. And test-wise, how do you test, how does Pascoe test its products?
So right from the beginning, when they're growing the plants, so in the farm they bring them in, farmers bring them in,
so
and
they
they collect them.
right from the growth.
Right from the growth, so checking to make sure they're growing the right plant. They have botanists checking to make sure when the plants arrive that it's the right species, that it's been grown in the right conditions and contains the right amount of active ingredients. And then right through the process of manufacturing, testing to make sure again that the ingredients are correct. At the end, testing to make sure the product is stable. It's really important that you know that when you get a bottle of it, it's going to last for the amount of time that's on the expiry date. So they do all that quality control, stability testing, and then testing the identity again of the plants at the end to make sure that the product is what it says it is on the bottle.
Is there continuous introduction of new products?
Yeah, Pascoe has been pretty good at bringing in new products. A lot of them are very old. Some of the products that Dr. Botelho uses and some other doctors use have been around for 100 years or more, so a long history. But then they bring in new products like Pascoe Calm or Pascoe Agile that have been pretty successful, and they're always looking. They have a program to develop and look for new products required on the market.
Well, what is the newest product that's being introduced here in Canada?
The newest one we have introduced is Pascoe Agile that Dr. Botelho is using a lot of.
Right.
We actually haven't introduced it to the whole Canadian market yet because the demand has been so strong. Just from
so we're
from
quite
him.
lucky as a community that Antonio has it available.
It's almost an exclusive at this point. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow, that's wonderful. Well, I think that having you here, for me as a producer of the show, I need to make sure that the products are quality. I trust everything that Antonio says, but to have you here to be the face of Pascoe, to say to us, this is what the quality is like. This is how it's put together. It's a great seal of approval on what António has been doing.
Been trying.
I think you've been doing great. Eu acho que assim, I'm going to just talk to Tony a little bit in Portuguese now. Tudo o que ela falou do produto, é essa a experiência que tu tens tido com os teus clientes?
Sim, tenho tido uma grande experiência aqui nos Estados Unidos, uma resposta fantástica. Os produtos, digo de 100 pessoas, de meus pacientes que estão a tomar essas medicinas do Pascoe, eu tenho para aí 94% um approvo muito bom.
Só tens a confiança no produto que
tenho
estás
uma
a sugerir
confiança
às pessoas.
grande e eu estou a investir cada vez mais neles porque ela, como a Robin disse, é uma companhia formidável, uma companhia. Eu tenho outras companhias na clínica que eu trabalho, mas tenho uma responsabilidade maior nessa companhia por causa que os pacientes vão para trás e dizem, estou mais melhor, sinto-me bem. Há sempre uns ou dois que não se sentem bem, claro, é sempre isto, de 100, mas é uma das companhias fantásticas, e isso não só isto, é uma linha de medicina profissional, uma linha que cada doutor quer trabalhar com uma linha melhor profissional, uma linha que seja...
Não esteja só numa embalagem bonita, mas que tenha
tem
resultados.
um resultado dentro da ciência. Eu acho que uma medicina de ciência muito boa e eu quero aprender mais e estou-me dedicando-me para aprender mais sobre eles porque a ciência deles é fantástica. Basta dizer, da Alemanha.
Exatamente. Well, eu quero agradecer, I want to thank you both for being here today to talk to me and through thousands of our viewers across Canada. It was a pleasure meeting you personally, and thank you for taking the time.
Thank you for having us.
You're welcome. Muito obrigada, António. E então, até à próxima.
Até à próxima. Obrigado, amigos ouvintes. Até à próxima.